Good Saturday morning. The time is 6 a.m. We are continuing to track Tropical Storm Nestor, which is really not bringing us much of an impact yet. Down on the coast, they are seeing some real gusty winds, heavy rainfall, especially in the west coast of Florida, the Tampa area. But again, a lot of us along this I-10 corridor, we're dry right now, and the winds are on the lighter side, 5 to 10 miles per hour, almost like a normal day. But down on the coast, they're seeing sustained winds between 10 to 20 miles per hour, in gusts at 36 in Apalachicola. There was a gust measured just off St. George Island of 58 miles per hour. So our coastal community is certainly feeling kind of the brunt of this thing right now. It has been weakening. Max winds at 50 miles per hour. Still hasn't made it to shore yet, so we're going to see those strongest winds coming up in the next few hours. Severe threat looks to stay to our south with tornado watches across central Florida. Tropical storm warnings getting trimmed off from the west. We're going to have another update for you coming up here in 30 minutes.